Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new to my channel, welcome to my channel. I'm Sana Khan and I make videos related to beauty products, skincare products, unboxing, reviewing any product, then fashion hauls, lookbooks, so on and so forth. So firstly, I would like to mention that this video is not at all a sponsored video. Everything that I'm going to say about the product, it's my own thought and my own experience. So let's begin with the video. So I'll be reviewing this product from Wow Science. It's a foaming face wash. I had recently ordered this, okay, and have been using this from past 1 week now. It has a bristle here on top and it's a pump style. You pump it and the product comes out and then you rinse your face and then you start washing, like rubbing your face with it. This can also be taken out and washed and then again replaced. So this face wash is pretty good. The bristles here you see, it's very soft. These are not harsh at all on your skin. Like if you're using it on a regular basis also, it's very soft. It's not at all harsh that it's gonna give the, it'll make your skin look very, some people have sensitive skin. So if they use it, even they may not feel any kind of redness or any inflammation that you get when you're scrubbing or anything. This is not at all harsh on your skin. Okay, since winters are here and I wanted a face wash which moisturizes, keeps the moisture intact, because I use an Innisfree one which takes the oil out of your face, but that's not suitable for winters. So I wanted something which will moisturize your face, and I came across this one, the coconut one. And why I preferred the coconut one, I had these pimples. I have also made a video on this. This is gone. You see, this is also going. It is gone almost now, if you can see, by using that same trick that I showed. It's gone and this is going. So when these go, they leave that tint of mark, and coconut really plays a good role in removing the blemishes that you're having on your face. So I wanted a face wash, so this thing would be a dual active product for me, taking off the blemishes also and then keeping my face moisturized. So I thought of purchasing this. Have been using this from 1 week now. I am seriously loving it. It's not at all a sponsored video, so keep that in mind. I've just washed my face with this. I'm not even wearing moisturizer on my skin right now. I am only wearing mascara and my contact lenses. That's it. This face wash, I washed my face and dabbed it dry, wearing mascara, contact lenses, that's it. Nothing on my face at all. So really liking this face wash, and I thought of making a video on it, because when on YouTube I was looking for a video of this particular face wash, I was not getting any. This is actually a highly recommended face wash for winters, for the ones who have dry skin, very dry skin. I have a combination skin, but then when winter hits, I start feeling that dryness, itchiness on my face. So it is good for dry skin types also, and normal skin types and combination skin types. I would not suggest it for oily skin types people, because it is actually very moisturizing. Like you can see, not wearing moisturizer at all. It's my bare skin. I've also used another variant of this from Wow only. It was the aloe vera one. It's completely green. I was using that during summers. It's almost over, and I also was loving that because even that has helped my skin a lot. I was not facing any acne and pimple issue when I was using that. So even that was very good. And this that I'm using, it's really good. Really good. You can see there's no dryness I'm feeling. It has moisturize. If a pea amount of moisturizer I use on my face, like it will give me the perfect hydration for the day. So I highly recommend this. Non-sponsored video. Perfect. Matlab, everything is my own thought. And yeah, I'll put a clip of it, that how I used it, how I wash my face using this. I also scrub my nose with it, to take away the excess what do you call that, blackheads. Yeah. And also I do it on my lips, because in winters the lips also get dry. So you rub it on your lips also, so it'll take the dead skins out and it'll help it moisturize. I'm not wearing anything on my lips also. Just wanted to give a fair review to you guys. So this is why I wanted to give a fair review of this to you guys. So not wearing anything on my lips, not even balm, nothing on my skin. Highly recommended. Go ahead and grab yours. I think Nykaa or Wow's official website, they might be running any sale. So yeah, you can get an offer also. So watch the clip. I'll add at the end, and please like, share and subscribe to my channel and help me grow. Take care of yourself. Stay safe.
Lions roaring in the morning sun, searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way, yeah. Birds jumping and I hear my name, grasping into a life. Life is happy but it's so insane. We must merely make a start. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a walk. Savannah. Light is gonna come. The birds have just